was in science. Plants are green, friends. I told you yesterday that plants are green in color. Actually, they are just called as green plant. Green friends. You can see the example here. See, I am having two plants. One is they are green in color. Can you see all of you? Yes. Online students, is it visible to all of you? See, we are having two. Okay. Now, I am going to tell you yesterday one more thing we have studied, that a plant is divided into two parts. That is your root and shoot. The part which is below the ground. See in this, we have the soil is here. Can you see this? This is your soil. So the part which is below this part, it is called your root. And this part which is above the ground, it is called your shoot. Shoot consists of how many parts are there? This is your stem, your leaves. Okay. See, it is your fruit. Here you can see I am having one chili plant. I am having. Can you see the chili? Should I break it and show you? Okay, I am going to break one chili. It is very small. See, I have break. This is your chili plant. Okay, so it means it's your vegetable, and in the same way we can have some flowers also. What is there? It is a rose plant. I am not having any rose here, but bud was coming. It is by the time I got it here, it was all broken between. Okay. So this is the above part is known as your shoot. Now see here, root. Can you see the roots? See, small, these are coming out here. So this is called as your root. This is your root. So there are two types of roots were there. One was your tap root and one was your fibrous root. Fibrous root. Okay. So the tap root was long. Tap root was long and more stems, more roots were coming out of it. More roots were coming out of it. See, one example of tap root I am having, that is your carrot. It is long, it is a root. We eat root of some plants. So that is your one is your carrot. So this carrot is long and thick. And can you see some roots are coming out of it? Yes. Can you see roots are coming out of it? Yes. Okay. So this is your tap root. Tap root means a long and thick root. The main root is this one. And some more roots come out of this only. Next is your fibrous root. Fibrous root में the example was of onion. It was onion. It is onion. Can you see? So can you see how these roots are coming out of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. See, roots are coming out of it. Okay, so this is what we call as fibrous root. Fibrous root में more roots will go from the main root. जो आपका main root होता है ना, from there some more roots will come out. So this was our difference between tap root and fibrous root. Next comes, children, your types of plant. Types of plants में there are 5 types of plants, that is your trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Trees are your, they live for many years. Trees live for many years. They have long and woody stem. You know na stem? They have long and woody stem. This one, this is your woody stem. Woody stem is the stem which is having maximum amount of wood in it, and with that wood you can make your furniture of the school or your office or your house, anything it is made. Okay. Next was what is the example of trees? Yes, Yuvraj. Mango tree. One more. Neem tree. Yes. Apple tree. Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Banyan tree is also there. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is also there. Yes, guava tree is there. Very good. Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Chalo, now sit down. It is a long and that's a woody stem and it lives for many years. It lives for many years. Next is your shrubs. Now, what shrubs are? Shrubs also have a stem which is a thick one. Now you can see my rose. It is like this one. It has a woody stem. This is shrub. Shrub example is your rose, jasmine, and all that. See, it has a woody stem. ये इसका जो stem है, it is thick. It is thick. It is thick means we can break it, but not so easily. इसमें thick, it is a bit thick one. Rose plant, this is your rose, that is your shrub. It is thick. Thick means थोड़ा सा मोटा होता है. See, it is a thick one. I am not able to break it like now. It was a little bit of effort I have done. Then I was able to break it. It means it is thick and a little bit of hard also there. So shrubs are like jasmine, rose, and hibiscus. Have you seen hibiscus? No? This is your hibiscus. This is your hibiscus. Okay. Have you seen this plant? Hibiscus plant?
Yes.
So what
I have seen this plant.
These are the petals. These are the petals, what we call it as. ये petals को they use for dyeing. The color which we get on white colors. Yesterday I told you na, they use it for dyeing the flowers. This one, rose and sunflower. So they use the color of this is used for dyeing. Okay. This is your hibiscus. Online students, have you seen?
Yes.
This is your hibiscus,
Yes,
and it is also
Yes, ma'am.
shrub. It is also example of shrub. Okay. They all hold the plant straight. Next is children herbs. Herbs have very soft stem. They have very soft stem. Their stem is very soft. Means you can easily break it. You can easily break it. Now, shrubs are not too long. Let's say you people have seen that trees are very long plants. After that come shrubs. Shrubs are a little small one. And then after that, more small comes your herbs. So this is, can you give me some example of herbs? Yes? Tulsi, very good. Tulsi plant. Yes? No? Yes, all right. Wait. Don't shout. Yes, online students, any answer? Yes, Yes, Navjot, please repeat again. Coriander. Very good. Okay, what is coriander? What is coriander?
Dhania.
Very good. It is dhania. This is your coriander. This is your coriander I have got. See, this is your dhania. You call it as dhania. So in English, this is called as coriander. What is this word, children? Okay. So this is your coriander and it is a herb. It is a herb. Now, have you heard that some people, when they say they sell their products, they will say, ma'am, it is herbal product. It is herbal product means it will not harm. It will not harm you. Creams, when you go to purchase creams from the market, they say that it is a herbal cream, means some herbs are mixed in it and which will not harm you, which will not harm your skin. So these are herbs. See, their stem. It is their stem. This is their stem. See this one? Can you see the stem? All of you?
Yes.
Now it is so delicate. It is so soft. It is so soft that you can easily break it. See? Easily I have done? Yes. With no efforts. With no efforts. कोई आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं लगी. Again I can break this. See? So these are so soft now that you can break it very easily. So examples of herbs are your coriander, your this one tulsi, and one more mint. Mint. What do you mean by mint? What does mint, children?
Na.
Wait. Yes, online students.
Pudina.
Pudina. Very good, Navjot. It is pudina. Mint is your pudina. Okay. So these are your herbs which we can break it very easily. The stem of these plants are very soft. Next is your climbers. What do you mean by climbers? Acha, what is the meaning of the word climb?
Ma'am, climb means to climb through anything like stake or wall.
Okay, very good. Yes. You people give any answer, meaning of this climb? Very good. When we grow up, when we climb to someone, climb in Hindi is called as चढ़ना. जब हम चढ़ते हैं, for example, you climb your stairs, you climb the mountains. Some people go for trekking, na? They climb the mountains. So that is climb, means चढ़ना. Now, climbers. It is the word related to the plants. Plants में what climbers means the stem of these plants is so weak. It is weak. The stem is so weak that it cannot stand on its own. खड़े नहीं हो सकते. They need some support to climb. They need some support. Support means इनको किसी का सहारा चाहिए. They need some support to grow up. They need some support. Now, if we are going to fix one pole, the examples. Can you give me some examples of climbers?
Yes, ma'am. Like grape,
Plant.
plant, grape.
Yes, pea plant. Yes, online. Wait. Chance, wait. Yes, online students.
Money plant, water plant,
Money plant.
bottle gourd and grapes, etc.
Grapes, yes. Your grapes. Have you seen a grape plant? Grapevine. They need some support to grow up. Some of you must be having money plants at your home. Yes. So if you are not going to give it a support, it can grow anywhere. It can grow anywhere in any direction. It will grow on its own. That which is, if you want that to give it a proper space, so give it a support. You can put some stick on your pot, and then that money plant will go around and around that stick. If there is there's a railing at your home, then it will take the help of that support of that railing, and it will grow on its own. So these are known as your climbers, whose stem is very weak and they need some support to grow up. And if you are not going to give it a support, they can grow it anywhere. Okay. Now examples of climbers are your very good, very good. Now next comes to your creeper. Next is your creepers. So what is the meaning of the word creep? Creeper. What is the meaning of creep? Wait. What is the meaning of creep? Only tell me the meaning of creep. C-R-E-E-P, creep. Creep means? No one? Online students? Any answer from online students? Yes? No one? Okay, no problem. The creep word means fall. To move on the ground like this. Have you seen a snake? Yes. Snake when moves on the ground.
I have seen.
That is the meaning of creepers. Means they creepers are your weak plants that grow along the ground. That grow along the ground means ground से लग के ये आ जाते हैं. The plants come. And the examples of it are your
Melon.
along the ground. Examples, your pumpkin. What is pumpkin? Okay. And what is watermelon? Tarboos. Have you seen it is so heavy? You can find it on the ground only. So that's why these stems are very weak. Their stems are weak. They need some support to grow up. And same as with this one, creepers also. These stems of these plants are very weak. Okay. Now it is clear to all of you. The types of plants we are having. We have shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. I've shown you the example of trees. Trees you can see outside your home also, outside your class also. So many big trees are there. Neem tree, apple tree, mango tree, banyan tree. What is banyan tree? Banyan tree in Hindi is known as your banyan tree.
बरगद का पेड़.
Very good. That is your banyan tree. Now, next children, we are going to start read in this your uses of plants. Your uses of plants we are going to study. We have plants and we get many benefits of plants are there. That's why they keep on saying grow more plants, grow plants, grow plants. You should plant. You should also plant every once a month, so you can say. You should have a plant at your home also. Okay. Plants give us, first one is, plants give us fibers. They give us fibers. Now, have you seen cotton? Yes. This is your cotton? Yes. If you are going to pull your cotton, can you see the small, fine threads are coming? Yes, ma'am. Fine means बहुत महीन होती है. See. Have you seen? Yes. Online students, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
See, these are so small, fine threads are there. Have you seen? Yes. These threads are woven. Woven means ये threads को I have taken like this. This is just an example I am telling you. These fine threads they are going to take. They wove it. They are woven, and which this cotton helps us to make our clothes. They help us to make our clothes. Prince, can you please come here? See, the cotton shirt which he is wearing, it is made of your cotton. Okay? And this cotton we get this cotton from cotton plant. We get it from cotton. Thank you. We use some jute bags also. From where do we get some jute? Bori. That is sack. Jute is used to make a sack. That jute also we get from jute plant. Have you seen the coconut? Yes. So coconut, that inner shell of that coconut is covered with what? वो किससे cover होती है? It is covered with what? It is covered with jute only. All of you have seen the coconut. So when you pull it out, when you open it out, then that is what we call it as jute. Okay. Now it is like that is also part of your fibers that plants give us fibers. Plants give us fresh air also. They give us fresh air, which I told you that they give us oxygen. They give us oxygen, which we need to live. We need oxygen to live. That is given to us by plants. There are many more things which we use in our everyday life. That plants give us food also. Yes. They give us food. Yes. Food which we eat, we get all the vegetables, we get fruits from all these things. Now fruits. Fruits we get mango, apple, banana, guava, grapes. These are all we get it from plants. Vegetable also we get. This vegetable I have shown you. This also onion. This also we get it from plants. Next is that we get some cereals also. Now what are cereals and pulses? What are cereals and pulses? What are cereals and pulses? Pulses is your dale. Yes. Pulses is your dale. Okay. At present, I am having only cereal. One cereal I am having. That is, I am having rice. Rice, maize. Rice is your chawal. Next is maize and your barley. These these are all your cereals. Should I open it? Okay, online students, is it visible to all of you? I am having rice in my hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rice, and it is what is known as your cereals. I'm going to take it in my hand. See, these are your rice. Very small one. I have taken it out. See, these are your rice, which we eat. So these are what we call it as cereals. Cereals. Okay. Next is we have some pulses also. Pulses में I am having. What is kidney beans? What is kidney beans? Kidney beans in Hindi is known as
Rajma.
Very good, very good. They are known as rajma. So I am having these rajma. This is your kidney beans. These are pulses. The plants give us these pulses. Okay. This is your kidney beans. What is this? This one. Yes, these are rice. What are these? Very good, very nice, very nice. These are your chickpeas. आप लोगों ने white चने सुने? White वाले. These are your chickpeas. See, these are your chickpeas. These are your chickpeas. Chickpeas. These are your white chane. Okay. These are your pulses. Kidney beans is your rajma. Why rajma are called this and known as your kidney beans? Can anyone tell me? Yes, here.
Ma'am, because they look like kidney.
Very good, both of you. Good, very good. Its shape is just like a kidney. I'm going to show you. You have, none of you, we have not seen a kidney, but just see. See, this is the shape. Okay, it just looks like a kidney. It is like this. Looks just like a kidney. So this is what that's why we call it as kidney beans. Kidney beans. Okay. Next, what we got from this plants, we got fruits and vegetables. This we have done. Fruits and vegetables. Next was what else we get from plants? Oil and spices. Oil and spices. What is mustard oil? Mustard oil is known as your. What is mustard oil? Mustard oil is your.
सरसों का तेल.
Sarson ka tel. Very good. Very nice. Which is your. That also we get from sunflower. We get from sunflower. That oil we get it from sunflower. आपने sunflower oil you have heard? Okay, that is what we call coconut oil. That we get from. Coconut. We get that oil from coconut. Okay. Some more spices. What are spices?
Ma'am,
Chili. Good. We get masale. We get spices. Okay.
chili black.
Spices like. See, I am having this. What is this long known as? What is this known as in English? This is you people have heard. Okay, good. But in English, what do we call it as? It is club. C-L-O-V-E. Club. Don't forget. Club is your long. spices like clove. I have shown you CLOVE. This is your clove. Long. Online students, is it visible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is your clove. Next, I am having one. What is a cumin? What is cumin? What is cumin? What is jeera? Now you have come to know that jeera is known as your cumin. See, this is your. I am having jeera, so it is very small one. I know it is not visible. I am going to show you like this. See, this is your jeera. This is cumin. This spice your mother uses to prepare some food.
Yes, ma'am.
When she cooks in the kitchen, she uses this spice. So this is your cumin. This is jeera. See this one. This is your cumin. Jeera. Next, I am having, we get more things from the tree. That is your tea. Sugar also we get. Sugar, tea, coffee. What is this? What is this known as? What is this known as in English? This is your tea only. Tea leaves. Have you heard? Tea leaves. Tea
Yes,
leaves.
ma'am.
Tea leaves are there. वो leaves को when it is gone in a factory, उसको क्या किया जाता है? इसको सुखाया जाता है and then it is crushed. It is crushed and they make this. It is something like this, black in color, which give color to your tea and makes your tea tasty. So this is the main part which we call it as tea. This is tea. The patti, which you call it in Hindi, patti, chai patti. These are your tea leaves. Okay, and your tea leaves, you get it like this. You get it like this. So these are your tea leaves. Have you seen all of you? Yes. You know that your mother use it in the kitchen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm having one more thing. This one. I know that you can't recognize it, but if anyone can try. Very good. It is coffee. Coffee. Coffee we get from coffee beans. Coffee beans are crushed and they make it in the powdered form, which is known as your now coffee. Okay, this is your coffee I am having. Next, what it gives us, plants give us some medicines also. They give us some medicines. Now, medicines is made up of what? I told you yesterday also, we get medicine from, yes, medicine. Medicine is like that we get from the plants like neem, tulsi, your eucalyptus, your turmeric. Turmeric is haldi. Very good. And more. Aloe vera. Have you heard that word? Aloe vera. Aloe vera is used to make some medicines and to make some the creams also. And last but not the least comes your wood. The trees gives us wood also. Wood which we use to make the furniture of our house, of our school, of our offices. It is furniture is used everywhere. The woody part of that plant is used to make the furniture. Okay, give me one pencil. Can you see this pencil? So what do you think this pencil is made up of? Bird. This pencil is made up of birds. When you people shop it, see this brown color which is visible to all of you? Whatever designer pencils you are going to have, whichever designer pencils you are going to have, but once you are going to sharp it, see one more pencil I am having. Whenever you are going to sharp it, can you see the woody part here? So it means it is made up of wood. After this paper, what it is made up of? It is also made up of wood. It is also made up of wood. Okay, so these were the things which are made up of wood. Now we have finished the lesson. The uses of plants are there. We get it from fibers, that is of your cotton I have shown you. The fibers of cotton are used to make your cotton clothes. Plants give us fresh air. They give us cereals and pulses, rice, kidney beans, chickpeas, fruits and vegetables, your oil, coconut oil, mustard oil, your spices like clove, cumin, turmeric. These all you get, the spices you get it from plants. Sorry. Next we get medicine from plants, and last but not the least we get wood from the plant, which wood is used to make the furniture.